If you're a Chicken Cacciatore fan, you're gonna love this easy slow cooker recipe. It just takes minutes of hands-on time, there's no cooking in advance, and then dinner's waiting when you walk in the door. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm making one of my favorite dinners, slow cooker chicken cacciatore. It is so simple to make. You just dump everything into your slow cooker or crock pot and then put the lid on and it cooks all day. Your house is going to smell amazing. Dinner is waiting for you when you get home from work. It's super, super simple. You only need a few ingredients and we are going to toss it all into the slow cooker. So let's get started. So I have my slow cooker here and we're just going to layer all the ingredients right into the crock pot here. You're going to cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. Either way, it's so, so good. Your chicken is like tender and moist perfection. So to assemble your chicken cacciatore, you're just going to layer everything into the crock pot. So you're gonna dump some bell peppers, and you can use any bell peppers you want. It doesn't have to be a variety of colors. You can use all green, all red, all orange. It doesn't really matter. Some diced onion, and mushrooms. If you're not a mushroom fan, you can leave them out. It's not integral to the dish. I just love mushrooms, and they cook down and give it like a really rich, meaty flavor. Some garlic. We're going to add some red wine. And I like to add it on top of all the vegetables so they can start absorbing the red wine. Otherwise, it's just gonna mix into your tomatoes. We have some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And I just do half on the vegetables and then half on the chicken. So we're gonna put the chicken on the top. You still need to season that. And then we have our diced tomatoes. If you can find fire roasted, they have a deeper, richer flavor. If you can't, it's fine, they'll still be amazing. Tomato sauce, pour that on top. And we're just gonna give that a little toss. And now we're just gonna put the chicken on top, and you just layer the chicken right on top of those vegetables. And I'll flip it over to get some sauce on both sides, just a little bit of sauce on both sides. And all of the vegetables keep your chicken moist and tender and juicy. And so we have a little bit of sauce on top there. And now we're going to pour a little bit of olive oil right on top. Some melted butter, also to keep everything moist and juicy and tender. And then the rest of our salt and pepper right on top of that chicken. And that's it. So now you're going to lid it up and just cook it on high for about 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. Our chicken cacciatore is finished, and I just like to finish it off with some herbs. So I have some chopped fresh oregano and basil and parsley here. And then you can mix that in with the sauce or just leave it. So I'm just gonna serve it up. I like to serve it over some linguine or any pasta. And so I like to take some of the sauce out of the bottom and just serve it over top. Get some of those vegetables in there as well. And then you can shred up the chicken if you like, or you can serve it, just put the whole chicken breast right on top of your pasta. Just like that. It smells incredible. So, so yummy. And just take a quick bite. Get a little bit of that chicken. Maybe not, I need a knife, sorry. I'm gonna take a quick bite. Get a little bit of that chicken. Dip it into some of that sauce. That is amazing. It's tender and juicy and buttery, and you get a hint of that tomato sauce. It is so good. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.